Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This stock 2016 Aprilia Tuono V4 RR with only 3,911 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. From the factory it comes equipped with ABS and traction control, and we have installed new front and rear tires on this bike. Designed for tight handling and impressive power, the Tuono was powered by a 1077cc V4 engine with a 6-speed transmission producing 175 horsepower and 89 foot-pounds of torque. Weighing in at 405 pounds, and with a seat height of 32.5 inches, the Tuono was designed to perform at a high level on the street or track. This vehicle has received our premium service and detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.